The main focus of this topic is what vinegar does to calcium. So, we have our ingredients here are chicken bones, a cup, and 1 cup of vinegar. So first off, you're going to take a chicken bone and put it in the cup. And then the next thing you're going to do is get your vinegar and pour it in. But this project is not done yet. So next off, we have to let it soak for 2 to 3 days. And then, once we're done, we're gonna take it out and try bending it and see if it works.
All right, that's good. So where is calcium? Where do we get calcium from?
We can get it from food like milk, cheese, yogurt, leafy greens, and almonds.
Okay, so how does the body process it to get to the bones?
It soaks it up and it sends it to your bones like a delivery truck.
Like a who?
A delivery truck.
Oh, wow, okay. That's good. I like that. So 2 to 3 days? Okay. So can we do another experiment to see what's the difference? What if we put them in water? Since you have an extra bone? Okay.
Okay, so we have our water, and before you start pouring it, make sure that your bone is under the water so it's not gonna have partial spots at being bendy and some of them are being stiff and hard. So right here is our vinegar and here is our water. So we're gonna test out, we're gonna put it in here and we're gonna test it out to see if the vinegar or the water will work. Will this one work only, or will this one work only, or will they both work?
Okay, so how will you know the difference?
So this one has a little bit more water, and this one, it's also more, it can have more of the, you can smell it, so you can use some of your senses to tell which one is which.
Oh, I like that, because there's an experiment coming up on the senses. And which one are you using right now with the vinegar?
Smell.
Okay, so they need to look out for the senses experiment? Okay, good. The other way you can do it is just by labeling the glasses, okay? All right, so thank you.
And we'll see you in 2 to 3 days.
Good job.